should be getting my first shot off by now.
Let's go. Burzo. Come on, Tony. I should have my first shot off by now.
You're getting your first shot.
I do, yeah. This is my first shot.
Exit! What will go?
Ooh, you scare me. So fuck you. Go home.
Stop! If you don't get it in the first one, Bobby, don't keep on swinging.
So fuck you. Go home.
Stop. Action!
So fuck you. Go home.
About like here, and then shoot an arrow. Action! So we need blood and a hole right here. And then he'll go like this, rip the other one off, and when you eat it, he's screaming, and you go. Okay? Let's tape the ear on now. Yeah, put blood on the outside of the ear. And Shifu, when you pull the ear off, show the bloody side. Okay, I'll just wipe it around a little bit. Okay, here we go. Get ready.
Mark.
Action! Cut! Great job.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers. See you again soon. See you in the movies.
See you at the movies.